Hey there foodies, welcome back to the channel, your ultimate guide to getting the most out of your Uber Eats experience. Today I am going to show you how to add different payment methods to your Uber Eats account using the website. Let's get started. First, open Uber Eats website in your favorite web browser. If you are not already logged in, go ahead and sign in. Once you are logged in, click on the three lines at the top left corner and click on a wallet. Let's start with adding a credit or debit card. Select credit or debit card from add payment method. New window will pop up. Here you will have to add your card number, expiry date, security code, country and zip code and click add card. Next, let's add PayPal from the same. You can go to add payment method again and then select PayPal. A new window will pop up asking you to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email and password and then click login. PayPal will ask you to authorize the connection to Uber Eats. Click agree and connect to confirm. After authorizing, you will be redirected to Uber Eats and you will see a confirmation that PayPal has been added to your payment methods. And you can also add other payment methods like gift card or Uber Cash by selecting them from add payment method menu and following the on-screen instructions. And that's it. Adding payment methods to your Uber Eats account is quick and easy. Now you can enjoy a seamless checkout experience with multiple payment options at your fingertips. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.